Good evening, guys! Pa-share po ng live. Tanggalin niyo muna yung sound. Dito. Sa side din. Yun, no? Tapos, yan. Thank you. Pa-share po ng live, guys. Danny Fajardo is watching. Hi, Kuya Dan! Thank you so much. Yoli de los Reyes is watching. Ang bilis naman. Tumatakbo na. Kenneth Balaoro Balagat. Hello po, Mami. Hello, Kenneth. Ayan, good evening, May. Ang ganda mo naman, fresh na fresh. Thank you so much, Yoli de los Reyes. Kaliligo ko lang, kaya fresh. Ayan. Diba? Ang bilis, guys. Nayam said, nice watching. Ano pa? Imelda de Jesus, Andy Andes. Ayin Tiger Veloso. Josh Andes. Wala na ba? Diba? Pag sunod-sunod mabilis. Ayan, MJ Palma. Ayan, guys. Pa-share ng live, guys, ha? Wait lang tayo ng konti. Sandali lang po. Ayan. It's Saturday again, guys. Sana magustuhan niyo yung mga song ngayong gabi. At meron akong surprise sa inyong lahat. Ayan, Rose Santos Lakbayin. Hi, Rose! Good evening! Hindi ko siya ma-scroll, yan, layo. Nakashare na kayong lahat, guys. Pa-scroll. Baka tumaob yan. Sige. Wag na lang. Baka tumaob pa yan. Ano? Pwede na tayo mag-start. Start na tayo, guys. Para makarami-rami tayo. Okay, guys, para sa inyong lahat. Thank you, Rose! Nauuna pa kumakanta yung bodyguard ko dito sa gilid ko.
Away, 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 oh, ah, away, oh, ah, away, 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 oh, ah, away, oh, ah.
gonna get you. Rhythm is 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 gonna get you tonight. No way you can find it every day. And no matter what you say, you know it, the rhythm is gonna get you. No clues of what's happening to you. And before the night is through, baby, the rhythm is gonna get you. 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 Rhythm is gonna get you tonight.
Away, 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 oh, ah, away, oh, ah, away, away, away,
Annabelle Fontanares is watching. Good evening, guys!
Rhythm is gonna get you. 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 Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Rhythm is gonna get you. Rhythm is gonna get you tonight.
Thank you, guys! Good evening, everyone! Thank you so much po ngayong gabi. Sa panonood nyo ngayong gabi. Ayan. Hello and good evening again, guys. Wait po kayo mamaya. At yun pong nirequest nyo last week sa akin, nakantahin ko po yung song ko na Ang Mabait na Bata. Ayan. Kakantahin po natin yan mamaya. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi ni Annabelle Fontanares, pakibati naman anak ko na panganay, birthday niya tomorrow. Okay. Jennifer Casimiro. Ayan. Happy birthday, Jennifer Casimiro. And happy birthday din po sa aming pinsan na si Virgie Lucero from Pangasinan. Nasa Pangasinan ngayon si Virgie. Ayan, Virgie Lucero Rubia. Happy birthday! Vilma de la Cruz is watching. Ayan, Cristina Beso Bacarisas. Hi, Kay! Thank you so much. Ayan guys, wait lang tayo at mamaya po kakantahin ko po yung matagal nyo nang nire-request na song ko nung bata pa ako. Ang lalaki naman ng sulat niyan. Belated happy birthday, Sister Nelia and Giselle Bauyon. Jamin Galang. Alison de Ocampo. Ayan. Okay na yan, di ba? Naano na yan natin dati. And, ano yan? Flaridel Masakayan. Ayan, Jose Marie Herpacio. Ayan. Ayan guys, so mamaya, wait lang tayo ng konti. Madidinig nyo pong kantahin yung song ko nung bata pa ako. Ayan. na nakikita ko po sa YouTube, nakikita ko sa Facebook, ginagamit nila. Ayan, nakakatuwa naman. Ginagawa nilang background yung aking song nung bata pa ako. Ayan, Josie Panergo is watching. Hi, Ate Josie. Good evening. Thank you so much. Sabi ni Kuya Danny Fajardo, pa-shoutout lang po ng group na Loud Mix Mobile. Good evening, Loud Mix Mobile. Thank you. Ayan, guys. Wait lang, ha. So, guys, para pa rin sa inyong lahat, sana magustuhan niyo po yung mga song ngayong gabi. Ayan. Tayo lang ang pipindot mag-isa. You're welcome, Annabelle.
I was down, my dreams are wearing thin. When you're lost, where do I begin? My heart always seems to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. When you smile and I reach out to you, I could tell you were lonely too. One love, then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. Baby, love is here and now. There lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people, two less lonely people, two less lonely people in the world tonight. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life forever, everything was wrong. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people.
Thank you so much. Ayan, wait lang guys. Ayan, Lani Yamamura is watching. Wow, my BFF, Doc Dexter. Ayan, sabi ni Doc, excited na ako BFF. Andy and Raquel. Ayan, thank you so much Doc. Elaine Castellano is watching. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Ayan. Ayan, ang present, Lovey May. Kombawa. Ayan, Asir Sanara is watching. Ayan. Sandali lang guys ha, magbabackgrid lang ako. Kasi, baka may magtampo. Ayan. Sa mga hindi po ma-shoutout agad, wait lang po kayo. Kasi po minsan, mabilis talaga ang akyat, hindi po mabasa ng aking mga senior angel. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo kasi senior sila. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Ayan. Ngayon naman guys, sa mga mahilig po at favorite ang Carpenters, kakanta po tayo ngayon ng medley ng Carpenter songs. Ayan. Nalalaglag po ang aking headset. So guys, para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Wait lang guys ha, hanapin ko lang. Baka kasi magkamali ng pindot ang lola nyo. Diba? Sabi ko nga eh. Ayan. Habulin mo kung mabilis. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Ayan. Thank you so much pala kay Elaine. Sa time niya nung... Kailan ba dumating si Elaine? Wednesday, ano? Thank you so much, Elaine. Ayan. And regards mo ko kay Jojo. Again, guys, para sa inyong lahat.
And I end up singing. Trouble seems to up and disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can really lose when you're near. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got to use to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around, some kind of lonely clown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered where they gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. You've got to love me. Or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. Love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.
Medyo, ayan, medyo nasama po tayo sa kanta. Medyo nagiging emotional ang lola. Ayan, ayan. Sabi ni Lovie May, pa-shoutout sa Japanese friend ko. Ayan, Takahashi-san. Hello, good evening. Konbanwa, Takahashi-san. Ayan, medyo yung kanta na sasama ang lola nyo. Ayan. Felisa Rivera is watching. Ayan. And my dearest Direct Darna, Tita Rosemary. Ayan, good evening po. Melanie Calison Tarubago is watching. Nelia Kaipan is watching. Thank you so much. Ayan. Nelia Kaipan from Naparing po yan, guys. Ano yon? Yung ano niya? Basahin nyo nga, guys. Pabasa na lang, guys, ha. Ayan. Pagka po medyo nadadala ang lola niya sa kanta. Ayan. Roselia Avila is watching. Hi, Tita Roselia. Konbanwa. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha. Basta kilikili ng lola niyo, mainit. Ayan. Hello din po sa mga JNT Delivery Services kay Ryan at sa mga kasamahan niya. Good evening, guys! And bago po tayo magtuloy-tuloy, guys, magpapa-thank you muna po ako. Ayan. Thank you po sa aking new page followers and likers. Ayan. Lani Desu, Francis Aga Milano, Estela Ferrer Olimpiada, Dadel Hos, Sol Kiar from Valenzuela. Ayan. Sandro Miguel's Best, Marites Tuason, Elmar Balbuena, Mers Rojas, Ildefonso Arcival Romel. Ayan. And Donna Madonna, Ems Fausto, Angelita Bico. Thank you so much, guys. And birthday greetings tayo, guys, ha. Ay, kasunod pala, meron pa pala ako. Ayan. Leonora Junco, Priscilla Yokoyama. Thank you so much, guys, sa support. Ayan. And belated happy birthday sa asawa po ng aming anak-anakan na si Andrea, si Chris Rojas. Ayan. Happy birthday, anak. And belated happy birthday, Dennis de los Reyes from Cavite. Ayan. Happy birthday! At ang may birthday po ngayon, happy birthday po kay Tita Cecil Aoki. Ayan. Ang ate ni Jeng. Happy birthday, Tita Cecil! Ayan. From Tokyo naman po yan. Yan po ang may-ari ng kainan sa may malapit sa Japan Embassy. Ayan. Ang Nanay's, ano ba yun, Nanay's? Nanay's, New Nanay's Roppongi Filipino Food Cuisine sa Tokyo, Japan. Ayan. Happy birthday, Tita Cecil. Ayan. Sandali lang po, guys, ha. Ayan, guys. Alam ko itong next song ko doon magugustuhan ninyo. Ayan. Para po sa inyong lahat. Pala. Ayan.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his song, killing me softly with his song. I felt all flash with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. La 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 la, whoa, la la la. La 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 la, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Thank you so much, guys! Sabi ni Annabel Fontanares, sana magkita uli ng personal. Oo naman, why not? Ayan. Juliper Dominguez is watching. Christopher De Jesus is watching. Thank you so much! Ayan. Ngayon, guys, nanonood si Lovie. Andyan si Lovie ngayon, ano? And gusto ko rin i-dedicate sa kanya yung aking next song. And kay Tita Roselia Avila. Ayan. Isa po itong Japanese song na napakaganda po ng lyrics kung maiintindihan nyo. Ito po ay about sa love. Ayan. Na kahit anong mangyari, kahit mahirap, support nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. Hindi kayo kasali doon. Support nyo ang isa't isa, hindi kayo mag-iiwanan hanggang dulo. Ayan. Hope na magustuhan po ninyo yung song. Ayan. Wait lang po, hahanapin ko lang po. Ayan. Yes, of course. Kaya sa mga nagmamahalan dyan, para sa inyo po ang kantang ito. Ayan. Sana guys, magustuhan nyo siya. Dedicated ko po ito sa mga partners. Ayan. Yung mga may partners. Ayan. Na kahit anong mangyari, may malaki man kayong problema, hindi kayo bibitaw sa isa't isa. Ayan. Ito po ang meaning ng song. Tumatawa po yung dalawang senior na aking angel. Hindi daw kasi sila kasali dyan. Ayan. Also, dedicated ko to kay Elaine at kay Jojo. Ayan. Hindi sila kasali, kaya sorry. Kasi mga zero po sila ngayon. Okay lang yun, Annabel. Kahit wala yan. Basta, andyan ang family. Okay lang yan. Itong mga senior ko talagang wale. So guys, para sa inyong lahat. Let's be happy. Yan ang title.
解説で手を振ればそれぞれの一日に背中伸ばし出かけてゆく二人また今日も会えない瞬間から会いたくなる寂しさこらえた時聞こえてくるあなたの声強くそう君がいればいつも胸張ってできることがいっぱいある君といればわかることから幸せになろう少しずつ少しずつ幸せになればいいね心からの笑顔はねとても綺麗だからそう君がいれば夢が夢じゃない信じるものいっぱいある君と二人歩くことから 輝いてできることがいっぱいあるそばにいればわかることから幸せになろう幸せになろう幸せになろう
Thank you so much, guys. Lourdes Canlomudin is watching. Hi, Tita Ode. Long time no see. Sakto naman, Japanese song. Ayan. Yes, sabi ni Lobby May, ang ganda. Maganda po talaga yung song na yan. Kaya lahat tayo be happy. Ayan. Hi, Tita Rita. Rowena Blanes is watching. Hi, Ate Nang. Napakaganda po talaga ng song na yan. Ang talagang title niyan is Let's Be Happy. Ayan. Kahit na anong mangyari, be happy lang tayong lahat. Yan. Gising si Rowena Blanes. Hi, Ate Nang. Ayan, guys. Ngayon naman, guys, medyo puro tayo malungkot. So, kanta naman tayo ng masaya. Kasi po, nagmamaktol yung dalawang senior na angel ko rito. Ayan. Baka po kayo dyan, meron kayong pwedeng ireto sa dalawang angel ko para magka-love life. Ayan, guys. Para sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, everybody. Nanonood kayo ngayon. O, diba? Arigato gozaimasu, tita. Ayan. So, kada tayo ng masaya. Baka kasi umiyak ng umiyak yung dalawang angel ko dito. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha. Ayan. So, yung mga nalulungkot dyan, sayaw na lang kayo. Ayan. Diba, lawa na ang lola nyo, oh? Napakainit, guys. So, guys, para sa inyong lahat, let's dance naman para masaya.
Baby, you can find me under the light, diamonds under my eyes. Come the rhythm of don't you wanna just come along for the ride? Hold my outfit so tight, you can see my heartbeat tonight. I can take the hit, baby, best believe that's the moment I shine. Every romance shaking it there, don't give a damn. When the night's here, I don't know tears, baby, no change. I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Watch me. Dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I still keep the party running on one near on a place. Lately, moving close to the edge, till we look in my bed. I stay on the beat, you can count on me, I ain't missing no step. Every romance shaking it there, don't give a damn. When the night's here, I don't know tears, maybe no chance. I could dance, I could dance, I could dance.
Watch me.
Dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I still keep the party running on one and on a place. When my heart breaks, when my world shakes, Even when the tears are flowing like diamonds on my face, I still keep the party going, not one hair out of place. Even when the tears are flowing like diamonds on my face, I still keep the party going, not one hair out of place. Dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I still keep the party running, not one hair out of place. When my heart breaks, when my world shakes, I don't play safe. Don't you know about me? I could dance, I could dance, I could dance.
Yun guys. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang disco guys. Ayan. Break muna tayo sa mga... Ayan. So guys, para sa inyong lahat, again,
Ang sarap maging matapang. Saktong tapang sarap.
di ba? Hindi natanggal ng lola nyo? Ang ingay niya. Pasensya na rin kayo guys kung may nakikisabay kumanta.
Someone found the letters you wrote me on the radio, and they told the world just how you felt. It must have fallen out of a hole in your old brown overcoat. They never said your name, but I knew just who they meant. Oh, I was so surprised and shocked, and I wondered too if by chance you heard it for yourself. I never told a soul just how I've been feeling over you, but they said it really loud. I said it on the air, on the radio. On the radio. On the radio. On the radio. Now, don't it kind of strike you said when you hear a song?
Zian Alinio. Ayan, hi Zian Alinio and Christian and Kalel. Musta na kayo? Ayan. May nire-request dito later ha. Wait lang. So guys, ayan, may tricycle na dumaan. So guys, ang pinaka-aantay ninyo, eto na po. Kantahin na po natin. Ayan. Ang song po na ito ay taus-puso ko pong hinahandog po kay Dr. Dexter Ariscayo. And thank you din po kay Doc kasi meron siya, madalas niyang gamitin yung aking song sa mga post niya. And nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga taong nag-request nito noon pa. Since nung nag-start akong mag-live, nire-request nila sa akin tong kanta na to. Ayan. Si Yoli de los Reyes. Ayan. Para din sa iyo yan. Ayan. Kambal na apo. Ayan. Zoe and Chloe. Wow, yung kanyang kambal. Yan. And para po din po sa inyong lahat, of course, yung mga gustong makarinig, ngayon ko lang po uli siya kakantahin since ilang taon ba ako nun? Napakabata ko pa po nung time na yon eh. Yan po ang isa sa nagpakilala sa amin ng daddy noon, yung song na yan. Lalo na ako. Diyan po ako nakilala sa song na yan. Ang title niya is Ang Mabait na Bata. Biro niyo sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon. Ngayon ko na lang uli siya kakantahin. Ano siya? Ayan. Wait lang guys ha. Ayan. Nagkakaproblema ba tayo sa signal?